This yacht has 880 horsepower, a $75,000 swim platform. Welcome aboard the Cruisers Yachts 46 Cantius. This transom's a place to be. Wonderful wraparound seating. We've got an ice maker, we've got a refrigerator, and of course, an aft sunshade. The galley of this Cantius comes with a fridge freezer combo, large flat screen TV, range, and microwave. The luxury cockpit has great natural lighting and seating for all your friends and family. My favorite thing about the helm is the Volvo IPS joystick. It makes handling this boat a breeze. You've got controls for your radio and 2 large Garmin screens. I'm Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other Cruisers yachts, give me a call. We'll set up an appointment. 573-606-3029. Thank you.